Hello student, my name is Dr. Athar Iqbal. I am today discussing the concept of bond valuation, a chapter in business finance. The key points that I will discuss in today's lecture are the concept of bonds and related terms, types of bonds and the concept of coupon rate, yield to maturity and yield to call. So the first question which arises here is, what is bond? Bond is a fixed liability. Generally company offer it for 3 years, 5 years and 10 years, and it might be taken more than 10 years time period. Proper definition will be taken as long-term debt instrument in which a borrower agrees to payment of principal and interest on a specific dates to the holder of the bond. Whenever we use term face value means the fixed amount at which the bond is initially offered, and at the time of maturity this amount will be paid. So for common understanding, keep it in mind that face value will be taken as 1000 US dollar, and in Pakistani practice we will take it as 1000 just to keep our work simple and easy. Whatever price you are paying for the bond is not important, but this is important that at the time of maturity the company will pay back face value to you. The coupon interest rate is the rate which is committed by the company to pay you either after the year or on a half yearly basis, depending what is offered by the company. But this coupon interest rate will remain fixed till the maturity of the bond. So let's say a company is offering you 5% interest rate on a 3-year bond. It means that up to 3 years, a company will pay you 5% interest every year till maturity. So this coupon interest rate will always be mentioned, and it must be paid by the company. Bond price, as being a student of finance, you all should be familiar that whenever we discuss term price, it means that we are talking about the present value. So present value of all the cash flow that you will be able to get from the company, when you calculate its present value, we call it bond price. So a bond price, later on you will see that how we calculate it, but uh, remember that this price may be volatile depending on the market rate and the coupon rate given by the company. Issue date means the date on which the bonds are issued by the company. Generally, whenever we are working in finance, we generally assume it as Jan 1st of any year, so that the calculation work will quite remain simple. Maturity date means the date at which the bond will be matured and company is liable to pay back the face value to the bond holder. So remember that in this case we can keep it as, let's say that bond is issued for 3 years, or the bond is issued for 5 years or 10 years. So these 3, 5 or 10 years will be taken as a maturity time, and naturally and a specific date will be mentioned over there. There are many types of bonds depending on the requirement and the market condition. Uh, Here we are discussing only 4 types of bond. The one is called coupon bond. Coupon bond means at which the interest rate is already specified by the company, which will be paid after a specific interval. A type of bond that gives fixed interest payment at fixed interest rate for the specified period of time. So as we discussed earlier, that these coupons will remain fixed for a certain number of years, and it is depending whether it can be taken as on a half yearly basis or it can be taken on annual basis, but it will be paid by the company on a specific interval. Zero coupon bond means company will not pay any interest till the maturity of the bond. It means that if you are taking a bond for a 5-year period and the bond is specifically mentioned that this is zero coupon bond, it means that up to 5 years you will not get any interest from the company, but of course the bond will be offered at a very discounted price, so that investor will be willing to buy at that price. Convertible bond means these are the bonds which might be converted into common shares at the option of bondholder. A specific time period is given by the company, and company decide whether this option will be entertained by the bondholders at certain interval of time or not. Callable bond means company has the right to buy back bonds from the uh, lenders, and generally at the time of offering the bond, it is mentioned whether company can take it back after 2 years or after 5 years or after a certain condition which is met by the company. The term current yield means the return that you are able to get on the price that you paid for the bond. Let's say that I'm uh, buying a bond at 900 rupees and I'm getting 100 on that in terms of interest. So if I'm interested to find out what actual return I'm getting on this bond, will technically be called current yield. A very simple formula that you can use for this one is annual coupon payment that you will receive from the company, and you will divide it by current price. Current price may vary from investor to investor, so naturally the current yield will also vary from investor to investor. I hope that all the topics that I've covered so far uh, is quite understandable